Awesome.
Alright, so now we're gonna go. God dang, I love this airplane. Alright.
Me too, it's my favorite. Plus, it's got a brand new engine on it.
It's so quiet, you know.
I know. It doesn't shake like all hell now.
Alright, so avionics is on, transponder on. Alright. And we go to Alt. Alright, we're gonna go to ATIS 126925. 126925.
Yep.
09er, 2-point minus 08, altimeter 3034. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 34 left. First airman, runway 34 right is closed. Runway 34 right, RVR out of service. Runway 34 right, ILS out of service. Runway 34 right, DME out of service. Taxiway Alpha north of Taxiway Hotel is closed. Helicopter operations in the vicinity of Texas Motor Speedway at or below 1,500. Advise tower prior to departure operating IFR. Advise on Chicago information Foxtrot.
Foxtrot.
Last tower information Foxtrot, time 1953, Zulu observation, wind 340 at 10, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 09er, 2-point minus 08, altimeter 3034. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 34 left. First airman, runway 34 right is closed. Runway 34 right, RVR out of service. Runway 34 right, ILS out of service. Runway 34 right, DME out of service. Taxiway Alpha north of Taxiway Hotel is closed. Helicopter operator. Form pursuit is closed.
For 1 PCD.
Okay, I'm gonna go to 3034. Enter. Enter. Yep. Okay, 3034. Okay, pretty damn close. Alright, got Foxtrot. Alright, so let's see here. Flaps up. Brakes are off. Okay. Okay.
Alrighty. Okay, flaps are up over here. Flaps are up over there. Making sure. I don't know if I told you about that one time flying with another guy. The flaps went in the wrong direction. It was weird.
Like they went, like, flared up?
We pulled them up, but they went down.
Oh.
We're doing soft field takeoff, and he has them at 10, and then brings them up once we get up, and then it just comes down. I'm like, huh, why aren't we climbing? What do we do?
Okay, so, hi. Let's go ahead and just check your instruments, or flight controls. No sense in going anywhere if they ain't working.
Exactly.
Okay, releasing brakes. Adding a little power.
Okie dokie. Alright, I'm gonna do a brake check real quick. Flight controls.
Your flight controls?
Hey, they work. We're good.
Alright, gauges are good.
Got everything set. Fantastic. No, except for the autopilot.
We don't have autopilot.
Yeah, we do.
On this one?
Yeah.
It's pulled out.
No, push it back in.
Push it back in.
Hey, don't be pulling my damn circuit breaker. I'm a freaking autopilot, man.
Alright.
Oh, great. Now it's going to restart. It's going to beep at you again, too.
Oh.
You remember where it's at?
No, I haven't had to jack with it.
Science ground, Mitsubishi 644 Echo Mike, taxi out of General Aviation with Foxtrot, and we're VFR northbound beneath the Bravo. We will not need radar services.
Mitsubishi 4 Echo Mike, last ground, roger. Runway 34 left, taxi Alpha, and you can cross runway 34 right at Alpha.
Okay, cross, let's see, runway 34 left via Alpha and cross 34 right at Alpha.
Hey, from return, hold short runway 34 left to Bravo.
Hold short 34 left to Bravo, come on.
Okay.
Here comes that Mitsubishi, the little twin. Yeah, this is that one that, they don't have ailerons, they have spoilers. So a little flap will come up on the top of the wing to push the wing down. The only problem with that is, with multi-engine, you lose your critical engine on takeoff. This thing will roll over on its back. Well,
there's our beep.
Yep, it'll roll over on its back pretty damn fast. So,
yeah. All right.
Pretty sweet looking airplane, though.
Alliance ground, Cessna 735 Romeo. Mark air ramp with information, Foxtrot.
3034, right? 3034. Make sure to set this. Because we are doing instrument. You can use this if you want. Okay?
Okay. What all controls does it have?
It can control everything except the throttle and the rudder.
Oh, okay, so it's got the full. Okay, cool. All right.
Look at that thing.
That thing's a beast.
I've only seen one with the, as a cargo variant. They had one over at TSTC, something like that. Their maintenance department had it, of course.
Yeah. All right. Alliance ground, Cessna 735 Romeo with the Mark air ramp. Ready for departure. We'll need a run-up with information, Foxtrot.
65 Romeo Alliance ground, runway 34 left. Taxi via Alpha, run up short of runway 34 right.
Clear for 34 left via Alpha. Run up short.
Right.
Right.
Shut. Okay, go. Hey, you had it. You had it.
I'm trying.
Okay.
I'm just trying to stay calm.
That's fine.
If I stay calm, and that's 90% of it. Alright.
Okay. So you know where we're going, right?
Yeah, via Alpha.
Yeah, just to the south end of Alpha.
South end of Alpha. Okay.
Uh-huh. All right, we got a guy in front of us. Let's see what he's doing real quick. We're probably going to hear a radio call in a second.
I mean, we got the right of way, right?
We were told to taxi until ground tells us to stop. We keep going.
Okay.
So he's going to probably come up behind us.
Alarms ground, Cessna 987 Bravo Charlie at Delta, taxiing TCC.
Air Captain Delta, launch ground. Sorry, Mr. Carlson, you can taxi to Parkway Alpha.
Yeah, that was 987 Bravo Charlie, taxi via Alpha to TCC.
Do 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 do.
Little helicopters.
Uh-huh.
My father-in-law wants me to get into that stuff, but that just scares the hell out of me.
That scares the hell out of me, and I've been flying for like 6 years.
He was talking about, you know, how all these different levers and shit.
Well, if you can pat your head and rub your tummy while riding a unicycle, you can fly a helicopter.
Uh-huh.
I cannot. I cannot do that.
Yeah.
And I have tried.
Alright, so 34 left, Alpha. So we're going to do a run-up down here, right?
Yes, sir.
2.
Hey, which way does the wind come from?
From the north.
You sure direct north, or is it...
Well, it's 340.
Okay, so line up with 3-4.
Alright.
I mean, you got plenty of space. Go ahead and make a turn.
B4. Shit.
Close enough.
Alright.
Now check your compass.
Yeah, I'm at 33.
Alright, check your compass. Bam, you're right at 34.
Yep.
even though we're not quite lined up.
Yeah.
So, compass might be
full on
screwy.
ground.
That whole variance. East is east.
I went like this.
Airform sheets requested.
I forget which one it was, but I can get it to swing like crazy. Which airplane that was? I think it might have been the G1000.
Alliance ground, Skyhawk 172 Whiskey Golf, holding short of Alpha at Echo, requesting taxi back to TTC.
Cessna 2 Whiskey Golf, Alliance ground, taxi to Park via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha 2 Whiskey Golf.
Okay. We got gauges are good. Right. Drop. Back to both. We're good. Back to right. Drop. Good. Oh man, that is smooth.
I know, right?
Damn, that is smooth.
And it doesn't shake like a malnourished kitten.
Yeah, sitting there vibrating. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright. Throttle, magnetos, a little temperature and pressure vacuum. Okay, now there's throttle. Alright, mixture is full rich. Okay. And we're gonna go to tower.
Alliance ground, taxi 188. We have Foxtrot ready to taxi and would like flight following Decatur 2500.
135, 135, drive. Okay, per second.
Number 0 Hotel Romeo, go around offset left side.
Okay.
0 Hotel Romeo on the go left side.
And we need to go ahead and pull up, right?
Yeah, just tell them we're holding short of 34 right.
Taxi 34 line of tower, traffic Cessna, they're going around off the left side, runway 34 left, line up and wait. Additional traffic Cessna on a 2-mile final.
Oh, we still have to wait.
That's a Seminole on a 2-mile final.
We got them in sight, and we're going to line up
right
wait,
here,
34
right
left, taxi 34.
November 008,
Sorry, I just realized, we don't need to switch over just yet. Okay, because he's going to give us clearance to cross over.
Oh.
Because this runway is still closed. So just let him know, run out complete, ready to continue.
Taxi 188, departure frequency is 18.1, squawk 5210.
18-1, 5210, taxi 188.
Okay. Alliance ground, Cessna 735 Romeo, holding short 434 left. Damn it! At 34 right, done with taxi, or done with run up. Fuck me. Sorry.
Calm down.
It's 5 Romeo and south end of Alpha.
Yeah, it's south end of Alpha, run up complete.
5 Romeo, roger, cross runway 34 right, hold runway 34 left, contact tower.
Cross 34 right, hold short, 34 left, contact tower, 735 Romeo.
Control C 34.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah. This is new for me. I haven't had to do this
Alliance
process.
Tower, Cardinal 70 Victor is changing frequencies.
Cardinal 70 Victor, frequency change approved, we'll see you.
Take care.
They got this shut down because of that stuff at the end, or?
Well, it looked like there's a big pothole in the middle of the runway. One of the FedEx airplanes came down a little heavy, but I don't think that was it.
November 4 Echo
Unless
Mike,
you offset, don't get directly
left,
behind
line
him.
up and wait, traffic Cessna.
He's got two big fans right there that are blowing right at us.
34 left, 644, come on.
Okay, now you can pull up since he's moving. He's lining up. All right, lights, camera, action. We all set there?
November 008, continue your rollout for Echo, please.
Landing's on.
Can you roll out for Echo 008?
No, don't stop. Pull up to the hold short.
Okay.
Never stop.
November 4 Echo Mike, continue holding in position, traffic crossing downfield.
Holding position, Echo Mike.
Okay, stop right here.
30 Hotel, 3 mile base.
November 30 Hotel Romeo, roger, continue.
30 Hotel.
All right, so engine out on the ground, power out, close the brakes up below 2,000 feet, we go straight ahead, above 1,000 feet, turn around, we're going to depart to the north and west. You got your hood with you?
Hey, thank you.
Good. Okay.
You want me to call it? You want to call it?
I'll do it real quick.
Okay.
Alliance Tower 75, Romeo, ready to go, 34 left at Bravo, northwest departure.
November November 735 Romeo, Romeo Alliance Tower, roger, stand by, traffic will depart and additional Cessnas on a 2-mile final.
Standing by, 5 Romeo.
November 4 Echo Mike, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff, northbound departure is approved.
We're rolling 34 left, 4 Echo Mike.
November 0 Hotel Romeo, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Rocket.
30 Hotel Romeo, clear to land, 34 left.
Echo Mike, you got a jet booster on that thing? Shit. Wait, no, duh, it's a
November 5
turbojet.
Romeo, Romeo, set direction of flight.
Northwest departure 5 Romeo.
November 5 Romeo, Romeo, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff, no delay on the roll, Cessna mile and a half final.
Clear for takeoff, no delays, 55 Romeo. So when he says clear for takeoff, no delay, you just start going. Okay, your flight controls.
My flight controls.
Alliance Tower 172 Romeo Charlie, just 8 miles to the north of the airport, inbound full stop with Foxtrot.
November 172 Romeo, Charlie, Alliance Tower, ident.
Gauges are good.
Airspeed's alive.
November 172 Romeo, Charlie, ident observed, and
55
right down
rotate.
runway 34 left.
Right downwind,
Okay,
34 left, 172 Romeo Charlie.
74 knots. Oh, I love this view. Beautiful. Ooh. A little crazy. You'd be good to me now.
5 Romeo, Romeo, on course, your discretion.
On course, our discretion, 735 Romeo.
November 4 Echo Mike, frequency change approved.
Echo Mike, take care.
Yeah, freaking that Mitsubishi thing is fast. What are you doing, man?
Yeah, just
Keep it coordinated. Quit screwing around.
I'm pushing too much on the right.
Yeah, don't hit the left. Just take your foot off the right.
November 5 Romeo, Romeo, no traffic out to the west, frequency change approved.
Good.
Frequency change approved, 5 Romeo.
November 0 Hotel Romeo, cross runway 34 right at Delta.
There we go. Switched it out. Level off 2,500.